Welcome back, Junior High Ag Business. Using Excel, whole number operations to solve some ag business math problems here. Let's take a look at the second problem here. A combine can harvest 500 pounds of corn per minute. How many pounds can it harvest in 1 hour? Well, this sounds very similar to problem number one. Looks like the only thing that's changed is how much the combine can harvest per minute. So here's how we can approach this. We can use the same calculations that we created in problem one to solve problem two. Here's how we're going to do it. Let's go ahead and start in B5 and select the entire section all the way to F6. Let's right-click on the mouse, select Copy. Now we see we have, looks like marching ants going all around our selection. Let's come on down to the second problem and click in B12. Let's right click. We have a lot of paste options. Choose the first one right here. So now we've copied exactly what we created in problem one, placed it in problem two. Looks like what we need to change is how many pounds per minute. Is it possible that if we just come and insert 500 pounds of corn per minute that it will do all these calculations that we had already created previously? Let's find out. First of all, we're looking for the answer in 1 hour, so let's go ahead and change that hour to 1. And then it can harvest 500 pounds. Let's change that variable, 500. 30,000 total pounds. And so we have utilized the work we did in problem one to apply it to problem two to arrive at our answer for this question in problem two. So your class assignment for today is to see if you can apply what you've learned in problems 1 and 2, apply that to solving problem number 3, and then have me come by and take a look at it or to answer any questions you may have.